Hi guys, and welcome to Werribee Nissan. Today we're looking at a 2012 Nissan Patrol Y61 Ti. This is the last of the Ti Patrols. 7-seater. As you can see there, the alloy wheels, driving lights. This is a 3-litre turbo diesel, the common rail turbo diesel system. Side steps. Come and have a look inside the vehicle. This car is absolutely immaculate. As I said, it's a 2012 model. It's only travelled 18,000 kilometres. Sat navigational system, CD player, cruise control, automatic transmission, got your wood grain dash, full sunroof. As you can see there, 7 seats. Air conditioning right throughout the vehicle. It's a climate controlled air conditioning system. Got a genuine Nissan tow bar. The spare is an alloy wheel, as you can see. As I said, it's a 3-litre turbo diesel. A must see, a must drive. So this vehicle is immaculate, inside and out. So pop into Werribee Nissan and have a look today. We are at 14 to 26 Heath Road in Hoppers Crossing, or you can give us a call on 9974 5800. And if you live far away, we're happy to come down and bring the vehicle out to you and show you, as it is a lovely truck.